Hello friends, how are you? I hope friends you will be well. So friends, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. So friends, today we move on the multitasking and multiprocessing and multithreading. So friends, this topic is so major topics. You know very well friends because friends you will be face any interview that time friends this type of question and also interviewer will be confused to you. Okay, so friends, now in this video you will be all clear of your doubts and move on the next. So friends, you can see here the most important topics. All right. So if you are in a programming, if for lang if you are a for example your domain is a Java and other languages, so friends, this concept is very important. For example friends, here the first phase is multitasking, multiprocessing, multithreading. So friends, all the what is similar to, but few is a difference: tasking, processing and threading. All right, so move on the next friends. First of all, we will discuss about the multitasking. All right friends, so I'm going to the next. All right, so you can see here the friends multitasking. All right, so multitasking, it's mean friends, in a single work you can be perform in a at a time. All right, so it's mean multiple tasks if you are doing, yeah, any, for example, if you are using if you are using a Windows 10. All right, so in the operating system you can use the at a time, just like MS Word, MS Paint, and also you are using a VLC media player. So at a time you are doing the multiple task performing. All right, so friends, this is the multitasking. You are doing the multiple task at the simultaneously. All right, so move on the next friends. So friends, multitasking, perform the multiple task at the single time. All right friends, for example, and also friends, there are two types of the multitasking. First one, process based multitasking, and second one is a thread based multitasking. So friends, these are the multitasking, because friends, you know the very well, and also you will be feel, in your daily life also. All right, what is the multitasking? And also friends, move on the next. So friends, now we will discuss about the multitasking, sorry, multiprocessing. All right, it's a clear of you. Processing, it's mean a multiple processor, it will be work in a single work. Okay, it's mean a multiple processor. Here's the, you can see here the friends, multiple processing, it's mean multiple processor is working on the single process. It means single work, single task is performing. All right, so move on the next and we will see the definition of the multitasking. All right, and I will also everything explain it friends, don't worry. And you will be any single doubt, it will be not in your side. Okay friends, for friends, you can see here the multitasking when one system is connected to the multiple processor. All right, in order to complete the task. Friends, for example friends, if you are doing the heavy work perform. All right, so friends, if so friends, you need to the multiple CPUs, it will be required. After then friends, you can be perform the single task. All right, so friends, inside the multiprocessing, one system is connected to the multiple processors in order to complete the task. All right, and second one phrase is line is saying it it is best suitable at the system level or OS level. So you can see here the friends, it is the best suitable, it is a best suitable at the system level, because friends, single one OS it will be, and your multiple processor it will be installed in your CPU. So friends, this one is a multitasking. I'm sorry, multiprocessing is mostly used in the rocket establish, it's mean where the rocket it will be established, and multiple heavy data it will be, and timing management also. That's why there should not be any mistakes. That's why there is a using the multiprocessing. All right, so move on the next, friends. You can see here the friends your multiprocessing. So you can see here the multiprocessing is your main process. All right, so main process is performed in which way? CPU plus memory, CPU plus memory, CPU plus memory. It's mean a three processor is here. All right, and what's the perform it is a single process. All right, friends. So friends, this is a multiprocessing. All right, so friends, now we will move on the multi-threading. So multi-threading, it means friends, it's a sub part of a process. All right, for example friends, if you are using the VLC media player, all right, and you are watching the movie, for example, your movie hour duration is the 4 hour. All right, so friends, if multi-threading concept, it will be not come inside the digital. So friends, you will be feel like your movie is a 4 hour, but your your time movie it will be if multi-threading concept it will be not come, so your movie length it will be very long, because multi-threading inside the multiple small task is performing the simultaneously. So friends, you can see if you are playing the YouTube video, so you can see the friends, one side is a progress bar, it will be increased, and one side you can see the friends, and timing, and also it's everything, it's and also timing the video how much have you seen, and also friends, so simultaneously at the time your a small task is performing. It's mean multi-threading. All right, so move on the next, friends. So we can see here the multi-threading. All right, so in this we will talk about the multi-threading. So friends, thread it mean first of all we you should be declare the uh, thread. What is thread? So friends, if you are using your Java programming, so every program is contains the single thread. What's the name of the thread? Main thread. All right, friends. So move on the next, and we will see. So multi-threading, executing the multiple threads. It means multiple threads. It means sub part of process and a small task at a single time. So friends, it's very too clear to you. If you are executing the if you are performing the single task, okay. If you are executing the multiple threads, for example, if you are using the VLC media player and playing the video, all right, so you can see the friends, one side you can see the one side your progress video it will be increased, and and the second time and the second side your video length it will be decreased, and also progress bar it will be increased one by one, just like. All right, friends. And also friends, you can see the video it will be move. It means what is going on simultaneously, your multiple threads is working right now. Okay, so friends, these are the multi-threadings. So friends, if video it will be help for you, so definitely you will be like and comment also. If you feel any video requirement, so friends, you without feeling hesitations you can comment. I will definitely to provide if this video it will be help for you. So friends, please comment. I will be happy to, because my video it will be help for you. Okay, because my motive is to should not be any problem in your side. All right, friends, because i am I'm doing well. Okay, friends. So friends, thanks for this watching video. So we will meet you on the next video. Thanks for this watching video.